customers of our customers are consumers and enterprises, and each of these is becoming more demanding. Consumers want personalization. They want a plan that exactly suits their needs for voice and data and operates smoothly across their chosen set of mobile and fixed devices. Their demands for bandwidth continue to rise, with interactive video and virtual reality as the next drivers. But at the same time, they want lower prices. Connectivity is seen as a necessity like electricity and water, and no one wants to pay a premium. Enterprises share the consumer needs. Their employees can't be slowed in any way by limits on communication and information sharing. However, enterprises now need more. They have to have machine-to-machine communications to reduce costs, provide faster responses, and track products as they move across the world. Mission-critical enterprises like utilities and transportation need ultra-reliability and security against data breaches. Large enterprises want their own networks, or virtual networks, with control of geographical reach, latency, quality of service, elements that go well beyond the usual bandwidth plans. The government also has an increasing presence in networks. In the past, governments typically got involved in topics relating to pricing and competition. But these days, governments are involved in network security topics and in protecting the privacy of their citizens' personal information. Governments are also watchful of the digital divide, where we see rural communities with a weaker internet and therefore less access to education and job opportunities. The bottom line is that our customers need to support more devices, more traffic, new services, and bring IoT and slicing services for enterprises, all while keeping extreme reliability, security, and privacy. Revenue and cost curves are crossing in a bad way, so they need to do this while also reducing costs. Quite the challenge. The standalone 5G core brings us the ability to manage unpredictability. Yesterday's networks had a relatively predictable, although growing, demand. As demand increased, more bandwidth was added at appropriate points in the network. Tomorrow's networks need to manage an unpredictable demand. IoT applications are emerging and have traffic characteristics that are very different, millions of tiny communications. Network demands are varying widely by community and day, since new use cases are emerging around political, social, and entertainment events. Enterprises are moving all their activities online, creating new patterns of use. This requires a new network and a new way of working. The 5G standalone core network will provide both of these. A 5G standalone core is built for IoT. It can easily handle the hundreds of millions of connected people and devices. It's adaptive, constantly optimizing network performance to maximize the use of the network and thus the return on investment. It's automated, so it has the agility to quickly adapt to new services and new configurations. It has network slice capability, so enterprises get a private network without a fixed resource reservation, which is important for network costs.